Christmas is coming soon. You may want to prepare some gift for your family or for yourself. How about a keyboard? A full-size mechanical keyboard with a screen, knobs, and a great feel and sound. As long as you need to use a computer for work or play games on, you will need a good keyboard. I think this DAREU A104 Pro is the Christmas gift for most people. The box comes with the same accessories as other pre-built keyboards. Keyboard dust cover, manual, USB A to C cable, keycap and switch puller, and a few replacement keycaps in different colors. As you can see, it's a full-size keyboard, showing that the A104 Pro is more office-oriented. The numeric keypad is a must-have for those who enter numbers often. Accountants will certainly love it. There's a two-stage keyboard feed here as well, with this Type-C port at the back and a 2.4G dongle storage slot. So this little dongle won't get lost that easily. There's a slider at the side with which you can switch between 2.4G mode, wired mode, and Bluetooth mode. The most special thing has to be this area in the upper right corner. This TFT screen allows you to monitor the status of the keyboard in real time, the battery level, the connection mode, and whether the Win key is locked or not. They can all be seen at a glance. With the knob on the right, you can adjust the brightness and color of the backlit. The volume and animation you play can also be changed. You can even upload your favorite GIFs to the keyboard, which is very interesting. I think the most important thing about this screen is that you don't have to memorize all those complicated shortcuts. On other keyboards, whenever I want to change the color or brightness of the backlit, I often couldn't remember which are the key combinations. Now this screen has saved me from key combination hell. Thank you, DAREU. The keycap profiles on the A104 Pro are cherry, made of PBT. Because it is opaque, the backlit doesn't look as bright in the daytime as it does at night. The A104 Pro we got is a Blue Sky V3 switch, and the specs are here. Because the actuation force is only 40 grams and pre-travel is longer, it is more for office than gaming. The stem has good stability, which makes it a good switch. Of course, you can also choose the snow switches. The actuation force is bigger and the pre-travel is shorter. Gamers should pick this one. When you press hard on the A104 Pro, you can feel a noticeable deformation. Not only because it's a gasket mounted, it has a slotted PC plate as well. And because the cavities in the keyboard are filled with the silicone, it doesn't feel overly soft. Combined with the Blue Sky V3 switches, the A104 Pro is great for long-time typing. The stabilizers are better than expected, and the pressure is consistent wherever you press down. The sound is also of a higher caliber in pre-built keyboards. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it's already much thought than we thought it would be. The A104 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery. Although DAREU says it can be used for 5 days with backlit on, you can actually use it for much longer. Based on my own experience with the backlit at maximum brightness and animations always playing on the screen, using the 2.4G mode for 5 days only consumed 12% of the battery power. The A104 Pro has its own proprietary driver, which is fully functional. If you want to change the animation, then this is a must-download app. Gamers may care more about the mouse than the keyboard. Then, the DAREU A950 Pro is also a great Christmas gift for gamers. It is a magnesium mouse, and the benefit is of course that it looks and feels very premium. You don't have to worry about breaking it if you accidentally throw it out during the game. Plus, the hollow design makes it weigh only 55 grams. The Oracle bone script texture on the scroll wheel also makes the A950 Pro a unique mouse. The sensor is the PAW3395, which gamers should be familiar with, and has a return rate of up to 4K, support for Bluetooth connection, and a 300 mAh battery. It's clear that the A950 Pro is a flagship mouse. There's no time to go into detail about it for you guys right now, but trust me, it's a good mouse. So the DAREU A104 Pro is a keyboard that realists will appreciate. As a full-size keyboard, it provides a good typing experience and is not missing any features. There's even a small screen and the knobs that makes this keyboard seem less boring. Right now, DAREU is doing a Christmas sale that runs from December 15th to January the 5th. All items are 30% off and it can be superimposed with a $5 coupon. Remember to check it out on their website. I'm Will from Gizmochina, wishing you all a Merry Christmas in advance.